Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. In relation to a video I made about changing the crankshaft seal because it leaks oil, and someone has asked a question, that their car's engine has been consuming oil for a long time. But it is not burning it, nor is it staining the spark plugs, but when cleaning the underside of the car's engine, it has occurred. He says that he is losing oil between the gearbox and the engine, where the clutch is, and asks if it could be that he is consuming 1.5 liters of oil every 10 days. This can be perfectly possible. It can even consume even more oil. Here you have to take several things into account. First, that you could run out of oil in the engine or insufficient oil. You already know that this would end up damaging the engine. Then you also have to keep in mind that the oil that comes out through the crankshaft seal can stain the clutch disc. So if the clutch disc is stained with oil, what would happen is that it would slip, then you would not have a clutch. And something else what should be taken into account is that just as oil comes out of the engine towards the clutch, dirt can enter through that seal, normally due to the wear of the clutch disc. This dirt can enter and get inside the engine, mix with the oil, and this in the end, it can cause serious mechanical problems. Be careful with this. My advice is that when you see that you have an oil leak in that area, change it as soon as possible. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.